I just picked up this gem from Kijiji for a low price of $5,000. It's near mint. Doesn't quite run at the moment, but I'm going to do a full restoration on this, and I'll take a few videos along the way. One thing that's kind of neat, I can just go park this thing under the buggy. Almost. There's just a few things I have to address on here before I would consider it to be near new condition. One, I might need to do something about the seat because it has got a bit of life in it. And the plastic here, I think it was yellow. Yeah, looks like it was yellow. I just scratched this off under the buggy. So, I gotta touch that up a little bit. And maybe a little bit of aerosol paint here and there. She's gonna be looking brand new. And I have quite a bit of experience in restoration because I used to watch Pimp My Ride when I was little. So I know the first step is to take any extra parts you have and just throw them in the garbage. Then the next step, I guess, is to just start beating on the thing, I'm pretty sure. So, like, I don't need this rack. It's all in there pretty good. Yay! Yeah. I love having a plasma cutter. There's also a lot of cables under here, so I'm just gonna start cutting them because I think it'd look cleaner without them. It'd just look a lot cleaner if I got rid of them all. Making some progress here. And here's the big reveal. Looks brand new now. Not bad for a couple weeks work. So yeah, that was actually my dad's trike. He's had that since it was pretty much new, and he actually had it restored recently. And yeah, this is what I came up with. Not exactly a restoration, but you could probably tell that from all the steps I had earlier. Got the big old power fist here. Converted this thing to a chain drive. Kind of jury-rigged a little throttle setup here. And turned it into sort of a lowrider chopper kind of thing. I don't even really know. And I'll probably get my dad over here, see what he thinks of this monstrosity. Nice.
Nice, a chopper trike. Cool.
You think it's as nice as yours?
It's nicer.
Nice.
It's cooler. So obviously you're gonna get it running.
Well, I had it running.
It's already running.
Kinda.
Yeah. It's like a looks like a chopper trike.
Yeah. Well, I had.
Sorry, a dragster, like a dragster.
Oh. So yeah, I'll have to get this out here soon. Do a little part 2 of a little test drive, and see how it works. So anyway, thanks for watching.